Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to enable caps lock toggle sound in Windows 10. You've probably had this happen to you where you accidentally hit the caps lock key and then everything you type after it is in uppercase, which you don't want. So today I'm going to show you a couple of ways how to activate this to give you a warning. Go down and click on the Start button and then go up to and click on PC Settings. And in Settings, scroll down and click on Ease of Access. Then click on Keyboard. Under Toggle Keys, click on the right there to turn it on. This will show another toggle which you can turn on if you have a number keypad. I'll now show you another way to enable caps lock toggle sound in Windows 10. This time go down to the search bar and type caps lock. Then go up to that blue area and click in there. That will also open Settings. Go down to the toggle keys and, like before, click in the box to turn it on. And if you have a number keypad on your computer, I don't have one on my little laptop, you might wish to turn that on so the number lock will turn on your toggle keys for the sound. I hope you enjoyed watching how to enable caps lock toggle sound in Windows 10. Look in the description under this online video for a link to the related one, how to enable caps lock toggle sound in Windows 8.1. Bye for now.